Aucuba Japonica, Variegated. This is an update of my Aucuba Japonica. It is a bushy evergreen shrub that has beautiful variegated leaves which are green and yellow in colour and glossy in appearance. We are now in spring and you can see the striking new leaf growth which is yellow and is accompanied with these beautiful small flowers which have petals which are a brownish purple colour. It grows to a maximum height and spread of 2.5 metres and is tolerant of a wide range of conditions, thriving in most soils, in full sun or partial shade. So if you want a medium to large sized hardy evergreen shrub with variegated leaves, choose an Aucuba Japonica.